Hello, this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon. And today I'll talk about how you can make real money using WordPress. Most people think WordPress is a low paying skill because they sell websites. The real money starts when you stop selling pages and start selling solutions. Clients do not care about themes or plugins, they care about leads, speed, security, and results. To turn WordPress into a high income service, you need focus. Pick one problem and solve it really well, whether that is a speed optimization, SEO setup, or conversion focused websites. When you specialize, you stop competing on price and start competing on expertise. Packaging matters more than effort. Clear audits, implementation plans, and monthly optimization packages make your service easy to understand and even easier to buy. Never sell hours. Price based on impact. A faster site or a better converting website directly affects revenue. WordPress itself is not low value. Poor positioning is. When you treat WordPress like a business growth tool instead of a quick website builder, it becomes a serious income skill. This is it for today. If you like this video, make sure to give like and subscribe to Growth Beyond Horizon.